It's a brand new year, and that means one thing is certain. It's tax time. Well, not quite yet, but it's never too early to start thinking about your 2025 tax return. We all know that taxes can be a real pain, but they're a necessary part of life. What's important is that you're prepared. Now, you might be thinking, Randy, I already filed my taxes last year. Why do I need to reassess now? That's a great question. You see, tax laws are constantly changing. What worked for you in 2024 might not be the best strategy for 2025. This year in particular, there have been some significant updates that could impact your return. We're talking about potential changes to deductions, credits, and even tax brackets. Ignoring these changes could mean leaving money on the table. Money that could be staying right there in your pocket. Let's dive into some of these tax law changes, shall we? One important change to be aware of is $600 taxes you need to pay when you receive money on Cash App, Venmo, and other apps. I can tell you to save like nobody's business and pay cash for everything. But when it comes to the nitty-gritty of tax law, you still need me, your tax expert. That's why it's crucial to stay informed. The IRS website is a great resource, but let's be real. Who has time to wade through all that jargon? That's why hiring a qualified tax professional like me would be your best move. I live and breathe this stuff, folks. I can break down those complex laws into plain English that you can understand. Plus, we know about any obscure deductions or credits you might be eligible for that you wouldn't even know to ask about. Look, I'm all about saving money and being financially savvy. I built my entire career on it. But sometimes trying to do everything yourself can end up costing you more in the long run. That's especially true when it comes to taxes. Think of it like this. You wouldn't try to fix a leaky pipe yourself if you had no plumbing experience, would you? You'd call a plumber. Taxes are the same way. A qualified tax professional like me can help you avoid costly mistakes, maximize your deductions, and ensure you're paying the absolute minimum amount of taxes legally required. It's like having a financial guardian angel looking out for your best interests. Section 4, Taking Charge. Tips for a smoother tax season. Now, while I highly recommend enlisting the help of a pro, there are some things you can do right now to make the tax reassessment process a little less painful. First and foremost, get organized. Gather up all your income statements, receipts, and any other relevant financial documents. Next, take a look at your previous year's tax return. This will give you a good starting point for understanding your tax situation. And here's a pro tip. Start early. Don't wait until the last minute to scramble and stress. The earlier you start, the more time you have to identify any potential issues and get them sorted out before the deadline. Remember, procrastination is the thief of time and money. Section 5. Steering clear of common tax pitfalls. Peace of mind secured. Reassess your taxes and get organized. Avoid common tax mistakes. Keep accurate records. Hold on to receipts and statements. Don't claim deductions you're not eligible for. The IRS will find out, and penalties are severe. Seek professional help if needed. Contact Randy Bell at Bell's Accounting, Tax, and Notary Services. Email rbelltaxservice adgmail.com. Take control of your taxes today. Stay informed, subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment for more. Until next time, peace.